Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix declined Visa transactions. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix declined Visa transactions, first what you need to do is prepare your information like your Visa card and transaction details, bank card, issuer, contact info, and phone or interest access. Then check for common issues like insufficient funds in your account, card expiration, incorrect PIN or CVV entered, and exceeded credit limit or merchant restrictions. Then next is to check your card status by simply heading over to the bank or card issuer app and look for card frozen or locked. Recent alerts or messages about your card, and if the card is frozen, simply unfreeze it via the app. The next step that you can do is simply call the number on the back of your Visa card by explaining my transaction was declined and providing amount of and merchant, day and time, any error message you saw, and the bank can authorize the transaction, unlock your card, and confirm your account is active. The next step is to verify your account. Make sure your billing address and card info match the merchant records and update if necessary and retire the transaction. You can also enable security features by turning on the transaction alerts in your bank app and enable contactless or mobile payment options. This can prevent declines due to fraud protection blocks. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.